Leukemia is a type of blood cancer that arises in the bone marrow. Bone marrow creates healthy blood cells for our body. When there is an uncontrolled accumulation of these cells, leukemia results. But there is a cure. Peripheral blood stem cell transplant is a proven solution for this problem. But here in India, the problem has just begun for the patient. Let's meet Rahul, a young software professional. A career that is very demanding, long hours and excessive travel being a part of it. Fatigue comes hand in hand with this lifestyle. No big deal. This fatigue transforms into a fever and persists over a period of time. Finally, he visits the doctor who diagnoses it as leukemia. Peripheral blood stem cell transplant is required immediately. But from where? This is the big question. A genetic typing match needs to be found. Ethnicity is an influencing factor for the match to take place. The chances of a match being within the family is 25%. Samples are collected by the swabbing of the inner cheek. A simple procedure. The search starts here. In vain. The doctor advises looking at external sources in order to find a match. This leads to a check on the international registries. A match is found. A sample collected by DATRI during their blood stem cell drive in BITS Pilani 2 years ago. DATRI is the answer. A body dedicated to creating a blood stem cell donor registry in India. Helping people like Rahul find a match in their organized registry. The hunt does not end here. The next big task, to find and convince the donor to go through the peripheral blood stem cell donation process. Finding the donor who has donated years ago is not an easy task. This is where DATRI's organized registry structure and their persistence comes into play. Once the donor is found, he is reminded of his contribution years ago and then convinced to go through the procedure. The donation process is started, involving both DATRI and the DATRI-partnered Peripheral Blood Stem Cell Donation Hospital. It starts with confirmatory typing, where the sample is sent to the transplant center or the laboratory recommended by the transplant center. After the confirmation is obtained, Prescreening, a process similar to a master health checkup, is carried out which ensures the safety of the donor before getting into the donation process. Once the preliminary checks are done, the donation process is started. This involves an injection a day for a period of 5 days. The donor can follow his daily routine after the day's injection has been administered and is not bound by the donation process. That is, the donor remains an outpatient throughout the donation process. The donation process is completed on the 5th day in a 3 to 4 hour procedure. Thanks to DATRI, a vital match has been found for Rahul in a limited time frame. DATRI has helped Rahul live his life to the fullest. India has very few donor registries, thus reducing the chances of finding a match. A lot more can be achieved with more awareness. Help can reach people like Rahul at such crucial times. DATRI, act now, gift a life.